here is how our Earth is formed. A bunch of years ago, our sun is pretty chill. It's formed with a bunch of gas that bulas around. It's formed from a nebula, to say, and it's formed. It's not out at all. So now the sun has all its matter around it, and this matter condensed into planet. In one of our planets is Earth. We know, but we are supposed to. You think I'm gonna put a bunch of blue here? Well, the thing is that it's not. It's a hell. Earth was a hell. Gotta say. You see a bunch of comets wanted to bombard to each other, and well, the thing happens is that it hits up into like a ton, like it's really damn hot. And you know what this means? It's of course a damn hell for life. Let me just remove all this. It's a hell for life to live in. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a hell. Well, the thing is, some meteorites are good. But on this lava-filled planet, there was some hope. Here's some meteorites that contain, and which you guessed it, water. You see these ones are slightly blue because they contain water. I just want to demonstrate that they contain water for ya, because they're not actually blue. They are also like other meteorites, but they contain some water inside, H2O compounds. I mean, yeah. Yeah, also a really common asteroid at that time, so actually even now. So it shouldn't be too hard. A ton of them smash into the car, which you might think just makes it even hotter into a worse hell. But the thing is that it's slowly cooled. It got colder, as you can see. And cooler. I'm coming. And what is it? I'm still currently making a video.
How long are you gonna make?
That's how long I make.
Already so long. Means just now you're not making man?
I'm making. I was making. Okay. Now, due to this, the Earth isn't that hot anymore. Pretty rocky. Victoria is just a bunch of rock. I mean, yeah, there's a bit hot spots, but overall it's pretty cool. So the thing is that it doesn't have an atmosphere, so you might even go actually a chilly negative. You might put snow here, but the thing is that there couldn't be any snow. Yeah, okay, let's just put a bunch of wood here, because here's how the planet looks overall. It's kind of a pretty cold rock. Here, a bunch of this with this, and then it actually got pretty even cold, you know. There's even slight science, you know, on how damn cold it is. Okay, now, do you know where all the water went? It has to be somewhere. Oh, right, they made it into some clouds, and the thing is that it rained. It rained, a rain that happens almost everywhere, which created floods in oceans and which just kind of flooded a lot of things. Kind of, actually, if you know, it flooded the planet so damn much that you have to see this. It's actually enough to make the world a water planet. Okay, like this, and it's filled with water now. Like that, and now it's a water planet. Easy. Yeah.
It's time to cherish the little things.
Oh my god.
Introducing Family Guard. Kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria around your home. Make every moment count. Family Guard. S.C.
2,
Johnson.
1, go. So actually this is so severe. That eventually when we are done, it's the entire planet. It's flooded with water. There's no life yet, because water cannot just make life on its own. It cannot just, water is too simple. It just cannot just suddenly combine and make life. Life is more complex than you think. So yeah. Let's see, what do we have in store? Also some of the meteorites also created an atmosphere, so that's good. Um, I mean before there was already a carbon dioxide atmosphere. It's like Mars but worse. Yeah, it's like a very dense Mars atmosphere, denser than ever. But then here's where special things happen. No, that is okay. Okay, so now volcanoes happen. The volcano happen. You know, volcanoes happen, spewing out a bunch of. There'll be some carbon dioxide. Yeah. So first is the carbon dioxide. Because currently the water is. This kind of just warmed the temperature up a little bit, which might be a little bit sweaty for you, but it's essential for life. Good. Not essential, but It just helps life to start. Also, some minerals from the underground mix, which the coal also created slowly created some complex compounds as the things inside the core react and create new elements. Eventually, life first emerges. Also, while we are, while also there's also land. We are creating land. Should be happy. Now there's land to step on. You know what? The plants got them first, and now they make vegetation. And then the first fish guy came and flopped around. And then life thrives until we kind of dominated the entire world with our cell phones and stuff. Yeah, and that's how it started.